Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through the Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 Router User Guide for 2026. So here, first of all, let's just understand the ports on your Wi-Fi router. So here, as you can see in this image, first of all, we are going to see this reset button, which simply means that it is going to reboot your device. After that, we have the internet port, which is going to connect your Spectrum modem using an Ethernet cable. Here we also have the power plug button available. So it is used to give the power supply. Then we have some of the other tabs available like the Ethernet ports. So these are basically used to connect other devices like PCs or smart TVs. So always connect the modem to the internet port, not the others. Now let's just understand about the lightings. So here you are going to see the status light, which is going to look something like this. If you see a solid blue or white light, it usually means that the internet is working normally. If you see the blinking lights, it simply means that the router is starting up or connecting. If you see the red or the amber light, it usually means that there is no internet signal coming from the modem. Other than this, you can just simply take a look at the blue flashing, blue easing, blue solid color means in this particular user guide. Now, if we talk about the setting up of your router, you just have to simply plug the modem into the router using the Ethernet cable. After that, you need to power on the router and wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, when you open the My Spectrum application on your phone, you just have to first of all sign in, then go to the option of setting up the new router. Then you just have to basically create a strong password and a Wi-Fi name, and once it is saved, the router is going to restart and your network will be ready. If you want to connect other devices on your phones, TVs and laptops or smart devices, you just have to open Wi-Fi, select your new network name, enter the password, and that's it. You are basically connected. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.